Hi guys, so I'm back with the rest of the stuff that I promised I would show you. This is stuff from the 99-cent store, and then I have a few things from Burlington and from Walmart. So here we go. I got this multi-purpose cleaner in the lemon scent. This stuff smells super clean. I got this for the bathrooms to whether I'm mopping or whether I use it in the actual toilet. But I do like a nice fresh lemon scent for cleaning. I needed some sponges, so I got these sponges. You get a pink and a purple. I did get, you guys know my weakness are these Pom Pom Keychains. So I found a little fox. Super cute with a little tail. So I got the fox. I got the little flamingo. Super, super soft. And I got a little ice cream cone. Pink and purple. I don't need any more makeup brushes. I have so many. But I just thought these were the cutest with the different colors. I got the contour brush. This is like a little blending brush. I got an eyeshadow brush, and then I got a blush brush. Their makeup brushes are fantastic. They're high quality makeup brushes. Highly recommend them. They're only $1, you guys. You cannot beat it. I don't think I remember the last time I paid for an expensive makeup brush, because you don't have to. You can just go to the 99-cent store and you'll get some really nice brushes. And then I did pick up some trash bags. This comes with 70 13-gallon bags for $2.99. So I'll use these like in the bathrooms and stuff like that. And then my vanilla ones I'll use in the kitchen because I like it to smell nice and fresh. So I got two things from Burlington. I got this Eyeshadow Palette by Beauty Treats. Nude Obsession Eyeshadow 24 color blushed nudes eyeshadow. It is so pretty, you guys. This was only $5.99 from Burlington, if you can believe that. That's what it looks like. I want to see how pigmented these are. I don't know. I don't think you need to spend more money than this, you guys. That's really pretty. I like it. And it's nice that it actually tells you when it expires, because a lot of brands don't do that. So it says it's cruelty free, not tested on animals. And then I got this one by Max Makeup Cherry Moya. I've purchased their products before and I really like them. This one was $6.99, so a little bit more than the other one. But, oh, they're pretty, guys. They are pretty. Check this out, you guys. Wow. I love it. You see how pretty that is? Right there. Oh my god. I love makeup. It makes me super happy. Super pretty for only, what is it, $6.99? I can't believe that. So check out your local Burlington. Get 25 eyeshadows for $6.99 for this one. And then this one you get 24 eyeshadows for $5.99. Let's look at it again because it's so pretty. I really like them. Cisco got those for me. He was so kind. He's like, you don't need any more makeup. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, next items are from Walmart, and it's like jewelry. I kind of stocked up. You can give these out for gifts, Christmas time, birthdays. So I got this for $1, and it's got all of the little earrings. This used to be $7.88, but they had a whole jewelry clearance. I also got this one. I thought this was so pretty, and like I could see myself wearing this. Like the little flowers and the little beads, and it's a really long necklace. This one used to be $7.92, but it was on clearance for $2, and the brand is Time and True. So I got that one. They had so many more, you guys, but I had to come back to my senses and not purchase everything. This one was also $7.92, but it was on clearance for $2. And it's got different necklaces, 1, 2, 3, and then the little earrings. This one's super cute. It's got like a lavender color. Very pretty. I like this little tassel. Super pretty. Some of these are pretty like elegant. You could wear them like to a party or something. I think this one's really pretty. Maybe I can give some to my mom. Look at the earrings. Super pretty, right? They had a ton more, you guys. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a like. I'm going to be doing a lot of decorating around my house, and I am going to be filming that. My problem with getting videos out to you guys, and I said this before, but it is the editing portion of it. It takes me a really long time to edit a freaking video. And I need to get better about that because it's getting a little ridiculous. I just dread the editing portion of it, and it's no one's fault. But I need to come up with a method, or I need to figure something out because I don't enjoy editing. That is a fact. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll link that stuff down below. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting. I really appreciate all of the love and the comments and everything, and that's why I come back every single time and I continue to do the editing because I love you guys too. So thank you for watching, and I will be back very soon. Bye, guys.